Drink cinnamon milk every day for these surprising health benefits. If you really want to sleep peacefully after a long tiring day? Or want to save yourself from deadly diseases like cancer and diabetes forever? So in that situation, you should drink cinnamon milk every night before sleeping. In this video, I will talk about the amazing health benefits of using cinnamon mixed milk. These mixtures create an amazing remedy that can cure many diseases and can help you sleep better and relax. To know its complete details and simple recipe to prepare cinnamon milk, stay tuned with us until the end. Milk and cinnamon both are very healthy ingredients. They can promote your overall health in a number of different ways. Both contain a number of different vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Cinnamon is a rich source of manganese, calcium, iron, and vitamin K, and contains some fiber. It's loaded with antioxidants and also has antiviral, antifungal, and antiseptic properties. On the other side, milk is an excellent source of potassium, vitamin B12, calcium, and vitamin D, which is lacking in many diets. When they are combined together, their health benefits are enhanced and this mixture becomes a powerful and potent nutrient powerhouse. Let's see the health benefits of drinking cinnamon mixed milk regularly. Controls diabetes. Cinnamon has the ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Drinking cinnamon milk after meals decreases the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream after a meal. Cinnamon works by breaking down the carbohydrates in your digestive tract slowly. Promotes oral health. Cinnamon contains essential oils that protect the mouth from certain strains of bacteria, which cause bad breath, cavities, tooth decay, and mouth infections. According to a study, the essential oil has antibacterial properties that can help combat mouth bacteria. Protects the heart. Another huge benefit of cinnamon is that it decreases the risk factors for heart disease by lowering high cholesterol and blood pressure levels. People with type 2 diabetes have a high risk for heart disease, and drinking cinnamon milk daily has been shown to have a beneficial effect. Fights infections. Cinnamon mixed milk has the potent ability to fight against various bacteria, viruses, and fungal infections. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which helps in fighting various infections. The essential oils and the antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and antibiotic properties of cinnamon surely make it a wonder spice. Strengthens bones. Drinking cinnamon milk every day can give you stronger and healthier bones. Because both milk and cinnamon contain good amounts of calcium. Calcium will help build and maintain strong bones, protect your heart, muscles, and nerves. Further, it also helps in the better absorption of other minerals. For your information, 100 grams of cinnamon contains 1002 milligrams calcium and 100 grams of milk contains 125 milligrams calcium. Combats cold and allergy. Drinking a warm glass of cinnamon milk works wonders when you are suffering from a cold. The drink can bring relief from the allergy symptoms like headache, sneezing, and dizziness associated with a cold. In addition, it can also fight common allergy symptoms and histamine reactions in the body. Reduces inflammation. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve inflammation. Inflammation is a big risk factor for cancer, heart disease, cognitive decline, etc. Drinking cinnamon milk can help ease pain associated with muscle soreness, menstrual pain, and other age-related symptoms of pain. Helps prevent insomnia. If you are suffering from insomnia, then drinking a glass of cinnamon milk before going to bed is one of the best options to prevent the condition. Cinnamon helps in providing a relaxing effect on the nerves and muscles and thereby induces sleep. These are the few important benefits of drinking this natural drink. Now let's check out the recipe to prepare cinnamon milk. You will need a 1 cup of milk, 2 small pieces of cinnamon bark, and sugar or honey for taste. Preparation method. First, boil the milk along with cinnamon bark, then remove the cinnamon bark from milk, and add sugar or honey to enhance the taste. Mix it properly and pour the mixtures in a cup, and garnish it with ground cinnamon and enjoy a drink. Make it a habit to consume this milk once a day on regular basis. You can drink cinnamon milk before going to bed. Finally, I hope this information helps to improve your overall health. If you have any suggestion and question, write in the comment section. Now let me know, are you going to start drinking cinnamon milk? If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit, and thanks for watching.